Assalamu alaikum kids, this is Badr Abdul Razak and this right here is the first chapter of physics, physical quantities and measurements. The very first question that arises is what are physical quantities, right? So anything that can be measured is known as a physical quantity. Example, length that can be measured using a simple ruler, mass which can be measured using a simple electronic balance, time which can be measured using a stopwatch, and temperature which can be measured using a thermometer. All right. To measure any physical quantity, you need two things: units and magnitude. All right. So let's say, for example, if we consider several example quantities like 10 meters, 5 seconds, and 7 kilograms, the 10, the 5, and the 7 are essentially the magnitude. Okay? Meters, m, s, seconds, and kg, kilograms are the units. Now, what is a magnitude? A magnitude is essentially a number used to express a quantity. While what is a unit? A unit is a standard that can be used to replicate basic measurements. A very important question in physical quantities is which unit are we supposed to use? Each physical quantity can be measured in various units, such as miles for distance, which is usually used in the US, and kilometers in Pakistan. Let's say, for example, you have this picture right here in front of you in the US where a mile marker is given, while this right here is a distance marker that's given in kilometers. The general problem is that scientific experiments have to be very accurate, and difference in units can slow down scientific research by quite a lot. Hence, it is important that to ensure quality control and production of scientific equipment, scientists have chosen certain units for quantities that are now used in research all across the world. Units that have been chosen by the scientific community are known as the SI units. Units of the 7 base quantities as defined by the International System of Units to unify scientific research are length, which is measured in kilometers or in meters, but meters has been chosen to be the SI unit. Mass, which can be measured in grams or kilograms. Kilograms is chosen to be the SI unit. Time, which can be measured in seconds, hours, days, and years. Seconds has been chosen to be the SI unit. Temperature, which can be measured in degrees Fahrenheit, degrees centigrade, or Kelvin. Kelvin has been chosen to be the SI unit. Current, we'll define later in our course, but ampere is the chosen SI unit. Then you've got amount of substance. Moles is the chosen unit, but we usually use that in chemistry, so that's beyond the scope of our course. And then there's light intensity, which we don't generally use in our course. The SI unit for light intensity is candela. So generally the idea is that during your O levels you are only going to use SI units. All right, your answers are going to be in SI units unless specified by the question. Thanks a lot kids. This is for the first topic of chapter 1, physical quantities and measurement.